I always liked old houses. My father lived in South Georgia when I was growing up, and there were beautiful mansions that you would get to ride by and never get to go inside. I always wondered what they were like. For years we looked. Everybody looks and dreams and never thinks it will come to reality. And we rode by a house in Springfield one day and peeked in a window, and here we are. We liked that it was brick. It had a pretty porch, and it was big. It was a big house. I wanted it big, and that was it. We have been on the home tour 3 times. The first year we were on it, we were on the spring tour, and we were the under construction house. Then a couple of years later, we did the Christmas tour, and it was fun because people would come in and say, "Oh, I was in here a few years back, and no, you had floors that weren't even finished." And it was fun that people would remember being in the house before. So every time people come in, they notice all the little things that have been done. We love the way it's turned out. We love it when people come over and ooh and ah. Everybody loves that. But that's when we're really proud of the house. The feeling of the house to me is comfortable. It's sunny. You come in, it's solid. Everybody feels safe here because it's brick and it's big and it's just homey. My favorite part of the house is the butler's pantry. The floor in the butler's pantry has marble harlequin or checkerboard, I guess you'd call it. So it has marble floors. The ceiling has tin tile, and it's just the history of what must have gone on in that butler's pantry years ago. The staircase has the original newel posts that are the Henry Clouthier style. It's like the logo for Springfield. So little details that somebody might not notice, where the spindles are a little bit wider at the bottom than at the top. It's just detail. The detail in this house is just what makes it. Just that little half-inch here and a little bump out there and a little curve there. And it's not fancy, but it's just perfect.